Hello everyone, welcome back to Ghala for Developer tutorial. This is episode 4 where I will be teaching you how to build your first bot. So let's go. We will be getting started on the WhatsApp for Developers website because as you know, Ghala is built on top of WhatsApp. So if we scroll down here, we will see the API reference docs. And if we click on them and scroll down towards the messaging section, we can see that WhatsApp actually has several types of messages that it allows you to send to your users, from voice messages to images. In this video, we'll be focusing on these interactive texts, but you can go through them on your own time. So if we click lists here and scroll down, we will see that actually all the code is already available for us to use. And if we scroll up, we will actually see what it will look like in the customer's chats. And with that in mind, we can head over into our IDE and let's go to this new messages.py file so I can show you how I integrated this into our code. We will be starting with the same API endpoint as well as access token that we had in the previous episode, as well as the same structure for sending messages as in episode 2. The difference is if we scroll down in the types of messages we're sending, if we look here, we can see that instead of type text, we have this type interactive. And with this new type, we can assign an interactive variable to our message. And we can see here that we have assigned this message as a button, and we can give the buttons an ID and a title. Similarly, if we scroll down, we can see the lists. We have the type interactive, and we've assigned the interactive as a list. And we can see here we've given each list point an ID and a title. You can do much more with this, but for the sake of this demonstration, all we need is this simple integration. And now if we head back into our main.py file, we will see that everything has remained largely the same, with the only difference being this portion here, where we previously handled the text by simply printing it into our console. We will now be checking if it is a message from our client, and if it is, we will simply be checking the content of this message and using our different functions accordingly. So if we go down into our console and start up this file, and I'm just going to message this console from the customer side, and we will see that we receive the message here. If we read our outputs, we can see that I sent a message saying hello, and because of this, the bot responded, hello, welcome, which if we check our code is exactly what I put as the response. We can see that the status of this message is sent and not received because it was sent on our side. And if I send in another message from the customer side, we will see that we will receive this response. Because I sent a message saying buttons, in our code we have put that if we receive a message saying buttons, we will send back a button. And I will attach screenshots here. As we can see, the buttons appear just as expected. And lastly, I will send one more message saying menu. And we will see here that once again, we received a menu on the customer side. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Ghala for Developers. In our next episode, I will be teaching you how to build a commerce bot, so stay tuned for that.